What is going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Stoic Outdoors. Going out with Mr. Fernando. Nice truck, man. So today's video is gonna be different, man. Normally I throw AM lures, Go, and some J or Z lures also. But anyway, this video is gonna be a $1 challenge. Got these bad boys right here, these Nortons. These are like $1.27 or $1.50 around there. These are gonna be for the Clearwater Saltwater Assassins. This pink looks freaking deadly. Look at that. $1.98. These are $1.98, so they're under $2. We're gonna call it the $1 challenge just for the title. These are literally $1.07 at Walmart. These title baits, they're white. These look pretty good, man. I'm gonna be throwing them with the Apex Predator jig heads. I'm gonna show you guys those right now. These whites should be pretty good for both water clarity, clear and dark. Also got these. These are 97 cents from Walmart, man. I've never used them before, but Fern has used them a few times, and he said he's had some luck, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They're pretty good.
These would be good for what water clarity?
A lot of action.
What do you think?
That one?
Yes.
Like a clear, kind of sunny. You want the sun to hit that.
So I didn't even check the weather, but I don't see any clouds or anything like that.
When you become dads, you don't have time to check the weather. You just gotta go when you have a day off.
We're both dads, by the way, man. So
now we're weekend warriors.
Hashtag deal for life. Shirts are coming soon, by the way. Anyway, so you can find these online, www.stoicoutdoors.com. They are also at 5 shops. If you're here in Arroyo City, you can stop by Bunker's Barbecue or Bunker's Snack Shack. You can get some over in Brownsville. You can stop at SWP, Lone Star Tackle, McAllen, R&R Tackle Shop, as well as Full Stringer and Hook, Line, and Sinker and Harness. But these are legit, man. I have them in an 1/8 ounce and a 1/4 ounce jig head. And they're freshwater and saltwater rated. I've been using them for a while, and they've been working, man. So see you guys out on at the ramp. I'll show you guys the truck. Check out the new whip. Oh, look at that, baby. I'm gonna show you guys this rod real quick. So these are gonna be available at 7-Day Addiction Shop in a few weeks. I ordered another 10. I ordered 10 and they sold out pretty quick, man. These Palo Stoics. I appreciate all the support in the last video. For those that you've been saying, man, they look good. If you guys have been enjoying the videos, make sure y'all like this video and subscribe. Doesn't charge y'all anything. It just means that you guys have been enjoying the videos and help me out, man. I'm from here, from the South Texas, from the Rio Grande Valley. So every like counts, man. Oh, thick girls only, son. Good deal, man. 170 a month. Can't go wrong. Let's get this $1 challenge on the road. Yeah, they're in the bags.
Damn, she sounds good.
Woo. Good thing I didn't jump off.
I was heavier than I thought.
Good thing I didn't jump off. Yeah, so these reds were super shallow, man. You can see the V's. If you see a ripple in the water, that means it's gonna be a mullet. But if you see like a V action going on, if you even see the redfish tail swimming around, then that's a redfish. There was a bunch of them in this little area right here. Oh, or something. Make a quick switch. Try these bad boys out.
You want to lift the motor? Lift up.
These look pretty good, right?
Go forward, right there where it's real slick. There's a lot of grass right there.
Uh-oh. Going back to go. Yeah, it's just different water.
For trout?
I'll switch back to. I'll switch back to pink right now, but quarter ounce jig head, let it drop a little faster.
Rock?
Nah, it's grass.
Now there's gonna be some real shallow grass here.
You sure?
It is a little trout.
Look here.
You got nice stuff. You told me it was grass.
I was running just like straight down. I was like, it's gotta be grass.
Guess that little strip just did a little.
Dollar lure, boys. And he swallowed it too. Are we keeping trout today?
Yeah.
Perfect. On a quarter ounce Apex Predator jig head. Let it drop a little faster. This next game just because they won and they're thinking that they're gonna lose to make it. That's what I'm saying. They should sit them at least one more. Got it?
Oh, I do.
Oh, it's a nice shot. Oh, there you go.
It's a good size one, 20 inches.
Keeper.
Caught on that, what's that hook on?
Apex Predator jig head.
That Apex Predator.
Ooh, that's a nice shot. It's going so fast. Oh, it felt good. It wasn't. It felt bigger than it was.
It's a fat one.
That's what it is, right?
It's real fat. Look how white it is. No, it's good. Well,
Probably a keeper. Hey, how's she doing, bro?
monster.
On that dollar lure, boys.
Say Layla, this is like pound on them.
Yeah.
Like double that.
15 and a half.
Are the geese just pets or they eat them? You're on fire with that little lure.
It's real small, that's why. Yeah. That's small.
Here's some drag.
That's right.
Sight casting time.
I'm gonna get it out of here.
No bag, right?
With limit the trout still, okay?
Damn it. They're so spooky. Ooh.
Sitting out here eating.
Sounds like it.
You smell it.
Hit it. Nice shot. Nice shot. On that dollar lure, boys. Thank you, sir. Go for what? Oh, that's a keeper. I'll get her now.
I think I took it.
Guess it's a trout type of day, huh? That's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Hopefully the wind's not that bad. I'm recording on my phone right here, but I'm hiding in the trees. But yeah, we ended up with 8 speckled trout on those dollar lures. Mr. Captain Dan was throwing AM lures, of course, but it was a good day. I'm just trying to show you guys that if you don't have the money and you're just starting off, you can still go out to Walmart and get yourself some of the cheaper lures, and you can still catch some fish. Make sure you guys subscribe. Remember, once we hit 6,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be doing another big giveaway. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.